Hi everyone, my name is Anusha. Today we are going to see how to deploy a static website in Microsoft Azure. My team members are Amisha, Dilip and Shivani. Amisha, she is the developer of our website. Dilip, he has taken the responsibility of collecting all the content for our website, and Shivani prepared all the documentation for this, and I'm going to show to you how to deploy this website using Microsoft Azure. For deploying, we have to create a resource. Click on create a resource. Then in the search bar, we have to search for storage account. Click on the storage account. Here is a create a storage account, basics, advanced networking. Here is a project details. Then our subscription is free trial. We have to give a resource group. Then create new Trendy Treasure RG. Click on OK. Then we have to give storage account name. In shopping, storage account name is in shopping, region is East US, and the performance is standard, recommended for most scenarios. Our redundancy is GRS. Then click on next. Then go for the blob storage. Then click on allow cross tenant replication. Click on it. Then access jar is hot. Then click on review plus create, which is validating automation template. Then click on create. It is initializing the deployment. Then it is submitting the deployment, which is deployment is in progress. Then your deployment is completed. Then click on go to resource, search for static website. It is under the data management. Click on static website. We have to enable the static website. Then we have to give the index documentation name, that is index.html. We have to give error document path, that is 404. Click on save. It is updating static website, successfully updated. Then click on home. Click on in shopping. Search for the containers. Click on containers. Click on web. Then click on upload. We have to upload all our files. Click on browse for files. Selecting a file, that is Trendy Treasure. Click on select and copying all the images. Click on overwrite files already exist. Click on upload. It is uploading. Then successfully uploaded all the files. Then click on home, click on in shopping, then search for the static website, then copy the URL of primary endpoint, then paste it in a new tab. We can see our static website, that is Trendy Treasure. Here are some trending products. Here is a fashion at Trendy Treasure. Our online store is for offering latest fashion trends. Then click on products. Here are the men's watch, sandals, dresses, crop tops, and men's shirts, and ladies shoes, chappals, and ladies watches. Then click on about. You can see our Trendy Treasure. Here it is our Trendy Treasure. Here are the following trends on this product. Then click on contact. Here is a contact us, send us a message, and here is a contact information, mail ID, phone number, and our address. Then click on login. Here is our login page, username and password. By giving the username and password, you can log in. Now go to the Azure portal. Then click on home. Click on the in shopping. Search for the data protection. It is under the management of the data management. Click on the data protection. Then click on enable Azure backup for blobs. Click on it. We have to create a backup vault. Create new. We have to give a vault name, that is shopping. Then here our vault name is shopping. Click on create. It is initializing the deployment. It is submitting the deployment. The deployment is in progress. Deployment is successfully completed. Then click on the manage identity. Then click on the permissions, that is Azure role assignment. Click on it. Then click on add role assignment. Then we have to give a add role assignment. We have to give a scope name, resource group, that is which is subscription is free trial, and already we have given the resource group name, that is Trendy Treasure RG. Then we have to select a role. By clicking on select a role, click on owner, save. It is adding the role assignment. Then the role assignment is added successfully. Then click on refresh. To create a backup policy, click on create new. Then we have to give a policy name, that is shopping policy. Click on review plus create. Then click on create. It is creating the policy, which is shopping policy. Then creating policy is successfully completed. Click on save. It is deploying in progress. It takes some time to deploy. Successfully updated data protection center. We have successfully created two services from Azure. One is storage account and another one is backup. Now we are going for Azure AI services. Now search for the Q&A makers. Now click on create. Click on language service. Then click on create. Then we have to select additional features, that is custom question answering. Click on select. Then click on continue to create your resource. Then our subscription is free trial. Then resource group, which is already given, Trendy treasure RG. Scrolling down, we have to give the instant name, that is Trendy shopping. Then our pricing tier is free FQ. Then we have to click on by checking this box, we have to click on review plus create. Then click on create. It is initializing the deployment. It is submitting the deployment, which is deployment is in progress. Then your deployment is completed. Click on go to resource group. Click on Trendy shopping. By scrolling down, we can get started with language studio. We have to sign in it. Click on sign in. Then by defaultly we have Azure directly. Click on Azure subscription, that is free trial. Then our resource name, that is Trendy shopping, which is already given. On done. Then click on create new. In that, select the custom questioning and answering. Then we have to create a project. Then select the language for all projects. Click on it. Select English. Click on next. Then we have to give the name, that is shopping project. Then the description, which is our project website, that is shopping for e-commerce. The source language, which is already default, that is English. Click on create project, which is loading. Project completed. Then click on the manage sources. Click on add source. Click on files. click on add file. Then we have to give a source name, that is chartboard. Then we have to choose a file, which is a file name is chartboard. Which is at auto detect of the structure, add all. Hitting the adding sources. It is successfully added. Then click on deploy knowledge base. Then click on deploy. Then for deploying this project, click on deploy. On create a boot. Then it is a custom deployment. Then subscription is free trial. Then our resource group, which is already given Trendy treasure. Then click on next. Then creation type, which is create new app service live. We have to select it. In app settings, we have the language resource key. For this, we need to go for settings. Click on resources. Here we can see the trendy shopping resource grid. Copy that. And paste it. Then click on review plus create. Then click on create. It is initializing the deployment of our template. Then it is submitting the deployment. Which is deployment in progress. It takes time to deploy. Then successfully deployed. Click on go to resource group. And click on Azure bot. Then click on settings. Click on channels. By scrolling down, here we have different channels. Select Microsoft Teams. Then we have to click the services. I agree. Then click on agree. Then click on apply. It is saving the Microsoft Teams, which is successfully saved. Then close. Then click on web chat. Click on default site. Here we can see our secret keys. Then here we have the embedded code. We have to copy the embedded code. Then go for in shopping, that is storage account. Then search for containers, which is under the data storage. Then click on web. Here we go for the chatbot.html. Click on it. We have to read the file. Then we have to paste the link in chartboard, that is click on save, go to the home, then copy the secret key, then paste here, which is that is a framework of our resource group. Click on save, then click on in shopping, that is storage account, and search for the static website. It is under the data management. Click on static website, then we have to copy our primary endpoint, copy the link and paste in the new tab. Here we can see our website, that is Trendy Treasure. Then click on the chartboard. Here we can see we can texting a message, that is hello. It's replying hello, how may I help you. Then it is about what is a Trendy Treasure. It's showing the answer, that is Trendy Treasure is an online shopping platform where all the shopping accessories like electronics, fashion, home essentials and lifestyle products available. Then next question is, what does Trendy Treasure do? Here we can see the answer. The Trendy Treasure initially focused on the online booking sales before expanding into the other products, that is categories such as consumers, electronics, fashions, lifestyle products. Here we are typing the answer question, that is which products does Trendy Treasure have? Which products do you have? Is the web page like gadgets, mobile? For any queries, you can contact us. Click on contact us. Then here is our contact page. You can send us a message by your name, mail, by dropping a message. You can click on send message. Here is a